Have you ever wondered how many uphill climbs you still have to go through while climbing? Or how long is each of them? This video will show you how to use ClimbPro to distribute your energy in your climbing. Here is the way to turn on the ClimbPro function. Hold the up key to open the menu. Press the down key to the settings. Select Activities and Apps. Select one of activities. Here we choose Climb to demonstrate. Select Climb Settings. Select ClimbPro. Turn the status to when navigating. After you finish the setup, when you use the navigation, your watch will display Ascent planning and monitoring screens. Here is how to read the graph and chart. The timer on the top shows the passage of time after you press the start button. Climb 1/4 means you have total 4 climbs in this course. Now the watch shows the information of first climb. 0.48 kilometers means the distance of the climb, which is the distance from the left to the right in the graph. 108 up pointing arrow means the total altitude you have to ascend. It's the vertical distance of these 2 points. AVG 23% stands for the average slope of the climb. You can see how the climb changes from the graph. Vert SPD is the speed of your vertical change. Besides, when you climb an uphill, your watch will show the current slope information. But when you are not climbing, what it will show is the next slope's information. If you don't know how to set the navigation, please watch this video, and hope you can enjoy your climb.